In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your 105 on LinkedIn. A crucial skill for keeping your professional profile fresh and up to date. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident in managing this aspect of your LinkedIn presence. To kick things off, let's head over to LinkedIn's website. Open your chosen web browser and type LinkedIn.com into the address bar. You'll soon arrive at the home page where you can log into your account. There's flexibility here. Whether it's your Google account, Microsoft account, or by simply using your email address and password, the choice is entirely yours. If you've taken the smart security step of enabling two-factor authentication, be ready for a prompt on your phone to verify your identity. You'll just need to enter that verification code, and you are in. Once logged into your account, the next thing you'll want to do is make your way to your profile. Now, to find your way to your personal space on LinkedIn, glance up to the upper right corner of the homepage. You should see your avatar picture. Go ahead and click on it. This click will open up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select the option labeled View Profile. With your profile page open in front of you, scroll down a bit until you discover the Featured section. This section is a spotlight on your accomplishments and, crucially, where your resume resides if you've uploaded it before. Here, you might spot a pencil icon hovering above your existing resume, signaling the edit capabilities. If your current resume needs a refresh or you've realized it's time for a complete change, select the Delete option to prepare the space for your new upload. Moving smoothly to the next step, it's time to bring in your most recent and polished 105. Nearby, you'll notice a plus button, which, when clicked, will allow you to choose a file from your computer. Take a moment to search for your updated resume, double-checking that it's the right one before moving forward. LinkedIn also provides an opportunity for you to add extra context or a description around your resume. This step is optional, but it's a valuable moment to highlight your career achievements or aspirations clearly. Ready to showcase your new resume? Then all that remains is to click the Post button. This simple action uploads your new 105 to your LinkedIn profile, opening the door for potential employers and professional connections to take notice. And just like that, you've walked through a quick and efficient process to keep your professional profile engaging and updated for the business community on LinkedIn. I hope this guide makes the task a breeze for you every time. Thanks for watching.